Hello legal hustlers. In this video we will delve into the series of conferences held in the early 20th century known as Roundtable Conference, by aiming at resolving the political and constitutional issues surrounding India's future. The Round Table Conference was a series of meetings held in the 1930s to discuss constitutional reforms in British India. These conferences aimed to find a solution that would satisfy the demands of both Indian nationalist leaders and the British government. The conferences were chaired by the British government and attended by various Indian political parties and leaders. First Round Table Conference, 1931-931. The First Round Table Conference was held in London from November 1930 to January 1931. It was attended by representatives from the Indian National Congress, Muslim League, and other political parties. The discussions focused on the issues of communal representation, minority rights, and dominion status for India. Second Round Table Conference, 1931. The Second Round Table Conference took place in London from September to December 1931. Mahatma Gandhi, representing the Indian National Congress, attended as the sole representative of the Congress. The conference failed to reach any substantial agreement due to the absence of key political leaders and the differences between the Indian parties. Third Round Table Conference, 1932-1933. The Third Round Table Conference was held in London from November 1932 to December 1933. It was attended by representatives from different Indian communities, including Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, and Dalits. The conference discussed issues related to the safeguarding of minority rights, electoral reforms, and the future of India's political structure. Impact and outcomes. The Round Table Conferences played a crucial role in shaping the political landscape of British India. They highlighted the diverse perspectives and demands of various Indian communities. The conferences set the stage for the eventual adoption of the Government of India Act 1935, which introduced substantial reforms in British India. Criticisms and limitations. The absence of key political leaders, such as Jawaharlal Nehru and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, during certain conferences weakened the negotiations. The British government's control and dominance over the proceedings limited the potential for genuine dialogue and compromise. The communal tensions and conflicting demands of different communities often hindered the progress of the conferences. Legacy. The Round Table Conferences represented an important step towards the eventual independence of India. They highlighted the growing demand for self-governance and the need for a more inclusive political system. The conferences paved the way for further negotiations and discussions that ultimately led to India's independence in 1947. Conclusion. Round Table Conferences were significant attempts to address the constitutional reforms in British India. Despite their limitations, these conferences played a crucial role in shaping the political discourse and aspirations of the Indian people. They laid the foundation for future negotiations and discussions that eventually led to the independence of India.
Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.